question number 3 from the exam review of box and whisker plots and quartiles. The Fairserve Dance Academy. Nadia is applying to Fairserve Dance Academy and would like to determine if she will be admitted. Nadia was evaluated on the 8 dance routines, but was absent when her last dance score was announced. She does, however, know the results of her first 7 dance routines. Nadia also received the following box and whisker plot right over here, which represents the results of her 8 dance routines. These are Nadia's first 7 dance scores, and they're not in order, and we need to put them in order. 64 comes first, and so on and so on. So 64, then 73, 77, 80, 86, 92, 98. So this is then in order. We have 7, and we know that she has 8 dance scores, so we're missing 1. The median is 78.5. 77 plus something, or 80 plus something. Well, let's just try 77, see if it works. Something plus 77 divided by 2 is 78.5. I'm going to cross multiply the 2 times 78.5 is 157. Something plus 77 is 157. I'm going to take away the 77 from the 157, take away 77. That's going to give me n is equal to 80. And we have an 80 here. 77 and 80 make your quartile 2, which is 78.5. I'm just going to put a Q2 and a Q2 here to say that these two numbers produce the quartile 2. We have all 4 of our second half. We have 8 in total. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 fall after the middle, which is right here. We're missing one value here. But let's repeat what we just did, but now with the 71.5. Let's say we start with 73. 73 is one of the values that gives us our quartile 1. Something plus 73 divided by 2 is 71.5. I'm going to cross multiply the 2 again. 2 times 71.5 is equal to 143. I'm going to take away 73 from that to get my n. Take away 73 is 70. Do we have a 70 in our values? We don't. 70 and 73 are going to be our quartile 1 values. Put a little 70 here. These are the 2 values that are going to go together to give me the quartile 1, which is 71.5. Now we have all 8 of the dance scores. Only one of our 8 dance scores can be below 70%. We have one here, 64. That's below 70%. Is 70% below 70%? No, it is 70%. She's okay. All of her other dance scores are above or equal to 70%. If I add these up, we have 64, 70, 73, 77, 80, 86, 92, and 98. I want to find the sum of that. And the sum is 640. There are 8 values. The mean is going to be 640 divided by 8 is 80. Our sum is 640 and our mean is 80. Criterion 1, we've totally done that. Criterion 2 says her report card average, her weighted mean by credit must be at least 80%. And over here, we have her report card. Once again, we're missing a bit of data. We're missing her interpretive dance grade. But this is her interpretive dance class. Nadia was evaluated on 8 dance routines. We need to figure out what her average was for this class, which we've done, 80%. We know that this is 80%. If this is 80%, I'm just going to go and fill this all in and then figure out her weighted mean per credit. Notice these aren't percents, they're credits. I put in the 80 here, and now I want to figure out the weighted mean. I need to know how many credits she has in total. Sum of all of her credits, 30 credits. And the weighted mean is the proportion of her math marks. So she has 6 out of 30 of 85. So 6/30ths of 85. So equals 6 out of the 30. I'm going to put a little $sign here to lock it onto the 30. So 6/30ths of times that number, which was 85, and that gives us 17. She gets 17% so far. Let's fill all that down. And then she gets 13.33, then 18, then 15.6, then 6.2, and 10.57. So our weighted mean is going to be the average, the sum of all of these. So it's equal to the sum of all of these values, like that. And she gets 80.67 repeating. Her weighted mean is 80.66666666. It goes on forever. I've just rounded it to 3 decimal places. Criterion 2, her report card average weighted mean must be at least 80%. She has slightly over 80%, so yeah, at least means equal to or greater to 80%. She has 80.6 repeating. Yes. All right, so that's 2 yeses. She's met both criteria, and so she is into the dance school. So the answer for the last question is yes. Nadia will go to the Fairserve Dance Academy. And that's it for the exam questions. Have a good day.